Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build circles in Teardown. Creating perfectly round shapes in a voxel environment can seem tricky, but with a few clever techniques, you can achieve impressive results. We'll go over two main approaches, starting with a foundational understanding of how to approximate curves using square blocks. Get ready to transform those sharp edges into smooth, circular designs with ease. One of the easiest ways to start is by using a reference template. You can find many pixel art circle generators online. Simply choose your desired diameter, say 24 blocks across. Then, bring that image into your game, perhaps on a second monitor or as an overlay. Carefully trace the outline, placing blocks according to the template's pixels. This method provides a clear visual guide, making the process much more straightforward. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, the manual approximation method is for you. Begin by establishing the center and deciding on your circle's radius, perhaps 10 blocks. Build out from the center in 4 cardinal directions, then start filling in the gaps diagonally. Think of it as building a square and then shaving off the corners. Each block placed helps to smooth out the jagged edges, slowly forming a convincing circular shape. To achieve the best possible circle, refinement is key. Once your basic shape is in place, use smaller 1x1 blocks or the game's destruction tools to gently shave off any overly sharp corners. Don't be afraid to step back and view your creation from different angles. This helps spot imperfections. With a little practice, you'll be able to construct circles of various sizes, from small 5-block diameter rings to large 50-block structures, with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.